All right, here we have a thermostatic portable hot dimpling squeezer machine. This machine produces the dimples in sheet metal for the purpose of countersinking rivets, mainly used in the aircraft industry. Here's the dies, the male and the female die, and then they are in heated platens, and each platen is independently temperature controlled by the temperature control unit up here. This particular one has the 6-inch throat, so you can put rivets within 6 inches of the edge of the piece of sheet metal. And here are the various different die sets for different depth and diameter rivets. And here's the temperature control unit. So you would turn the heat on, you would throw that switch, and there is the temperature controllers for each the male and the female platen. And then this is the dwell timer here, and that timer is how long the unit is squeezing with the lower pressure. So this unit comes together and contacts the piece of metal, and then stays there for the dwell time, and then a solenoid opens up in here and then adds more air pressure, which goes to the higher pressure. Turn off that heat here. All right, so we'll just do a quick test here. So I don't know if I could do this with one hand. Let me try this. Just set that there. And then obviously there's all kinds of adjustments you need to do on this every time you change the gauge of the metal or put a different die in it. So we'll do that again. And maybe I'll get back here, and you can see that you'll see this timer start and then stop, and then you can hear the air pressure increase as it goes to the high pressure dimple. And the trigger's on the back side here, so. And there you have the thermostatic dimpling controlled squeezer.